When you meet someone you have a karmic connection with, a spark of recognition ignites in your soul. You'll feel a haunting familiarity, a sense of having come home, a longing for something not quite remembered. Only once in a while comes along a person who sets a new point of reference of humanity with his exemplary compassion, courage, and conviction. Aditya Tiwari, a 28-year-old software engineer, burst into national scene with his rare act of kindness and daring. Driven by his conviction, this single father adopted Binny, an infant born with Down syndrome and a hole in his heart. We caught up with him in his hometown Indore, a bustling commercial town of Madhya Pradesh, to hear his story.
I brought him home on 1st of January. Without doubt, he is the best New Year gift. The moment I saw him, I wanted to adopt him. I was determined to bring him home. And now I'm extremely happy.
His task wasn't easy, but he was relentless. The software engineer spent 15 months fraught with a rigid bureaucracy to adopt the infant, who he first met in September 2014.
My parents were often involved in charity work and help people in need, so I grew up surrounded by the desire to help people and make a difference. I went to orphanage run by Mother Teresa Missionaries of Charity in my hometown. There I saw this baby. He was lying in his bed in white tea and he looked sad. But the moment he saw me, his dark eyes seemed to light up. It's hard to explain. I thought we had a connection. It's like a bond. And it just happened. I could not take my eyes off him or bear to be away from him.
The missionaries of charity authorities told Aditya that the baby had been abandoned by his parents 2 weeks after he was born in March 2014. He was examined by a doctor for some illness and it was found that the baby was born with a Down syndrome. Down syndrome is the most common chromosomal disorder in humans. Moreover, Vinny had a congenital heart condition as well, called ventricular septal defect, commonly known as a hole in the heart.
Binny's face was unforgettable. I visited Missionaries of Charity after a month with a desire to adopt a child. I had a word with center head of missionary and I expressed my feeling I want to adopt this child. They informed me, Aditya, he is a special need child. I asked for the reason, what it means a special need. They explained me he is a Down syndrome child. Down syndrome, I don't know. It's a genetic disorder, further they explain it. And Binny is having hole in his heart. Some problem with eyes and legs. Hence his parent has surrendered and nobody wants to adopt him. They told me that you are not eligible to adopt a child because you are not married and we don't approach or give adoption to a single parent. I was disappointed. But I requested them, I want to bear all his expenses, all his medical expenses. They are ready to, they said yes to me and I started bearing all his expenses from that day. Everything was going well. I thought once I get married, I can adopt Binny. Every month I am visiting MOC center to meet with Binny. In December 2014, he was moved to Bhopal and I asked the reason. They said due to some treatment and health issues, we had moved him to Bhopal.
It was in December 2014 when Aditya made frequent visits to Indore and ended up in Missionaries of Charity Bhopal on weekends just to meet Binny. In 3 months, Binny became Aditya's sole reason to live. Despite his hectic schedule, he was a man on a mission.
Later on 28th of March 2015, when I visited Missionary Bhopal Center, they informed me the child is moved for Delhi for foreign adoption and don't come back to the missionary center again and stop following Binny because you are single and we cannot give it to you. I was disappointed. I agree. I am not a legal, as per the policies, I am not eligible to adopt a child and legally I am nothing for him, but he is like a son to me. Sadly, missionaries didn't care to inform me that they are shifting him to Delhi, and I decided I will take some serious action against them.
Aditya was devastated and was much stressed and couldn't imagine his life without Binny. He was terrified of losing him. That's when he decided to take serious action. For next 2 months, he tried to reach out as many people as possible by writing mails to Kara, Sara, Ministry of Women and Child Welfare, the Prime Minister of India and the President. It was not only the authorities, but Aditya faced trouble convincing his parents, friends and even his colleagues. India is a tradition-bound culture. His parents were worried that he will not get a wife if he adopts a child, and that too a special child with such health complications. Unmarried father is an unimaginable thought in Indian society.
I told to my parents I want to adopt this child. I love him too much. I felt we had a connection and I can't abandon him. Eventually my parents agreed and soon I became the Avnish's biggest supporter. Somehow I managed to meet with Avnish's biological parents. I wanted to know the reason why they abandoned him. He belongs to a well-to-do family, but his parents were ashamed of this baby. They were happy to surrender him for adoption.
Then the most awaited news arrived. Taking cognizance of Aditya's petition, the Indian Parliament passed the bill reducing the age of single men to adopt a child from 30 years to 25 years. Aditya was reassured and ecstatic. Once all the legal procedures were taken care of, Binny was sent to Matrachhaya on June 3, 2015. Now, Binny was legally free for adoption. Mrs. Menka Gandhi, Union Minister of Women and Child Welfare, visited Matrachhaya Bhopal and ordered to give custody of Binny to Aditya. After getting the good news, Aditya completed all the formalities, including registration and home study at Indore within 15 days. Receiving a positive home study report, Aditya was called to Matrachhaya with his mother to initiate the adoption process.
When I called for a final meeting for adoption at Matrachhaya, I thought they are going to ask me the questions how you will take care of Binny. Instant, they were trying to convince me and my parents to step back. Child, you will face lots of problem in future, don't do that. Instead of adoption, you can sponsor a child. I was tired because of such unnecessary trouble created by the agency.
The meeting ended in a disaster. Home study report was produced in Indore and not in Pune, where he would finally be staying with Binny. Then, Aditya called another agency for HSR in his Pune house. When the Pune study was also successful, he was called for another meeting at Matrachhaya. But this time a surprise awaited orphanage managers. 2 officials deputed by the collector of Bhopal were present for the meeting. According to the new guidelines, a special child should be given to the prospective adoptive parent within a month of registration, but Aditya was made to wait till end of December 2015.
With the help of Mrs. Menka Gandhi, Kara, Sara and WCT Department of State and the collector of Bhopal, I got the custody of child on 1st of January.
Aditya brought Binny home as a proud father and named him Avnish.
Avnish is one of the name of Lord Ganesha. I pray to Ganeshji for Avnish.
Binny has stepped into an exclusively newfangled world as Avnish. The whole nation is rejoicing the gallant effort of Aditya. Aditya has been nominated for Golden Citizenship Awards hosted by Barclays for his heroic act. Aditya has also inspired many other parents with special children to raise them with unconditional love and care. If there are many such Binnies who are waiting to step into homes they deserve, receive the love of parents and have a positive future, then there can be many such Adityas too.